Okay, guys, there's some issue with the internet connection just now. So it says I'm currently offline, and this is the only payment that can be selected. Well, let's work with what we have. The moment you try to stream, all kinds of problems in the world will come up. So, what do we have here? We've got some interesting looking car, Suzuki, 125 horsepower, Suzuki Sport 2007 car selection. Can we change the car? One lap only, that's fine. But it seems I can't change the car. Hmm. Right. Well, well. Okay, maybe this is how it begins anyway. But it's kind of cool. I mean, Suzuki Sport, a hatchback. Now I can. Oh, right. Like you got to click on it. Oh, Mazda. Whoa, this is supposed to be a good car. Miata, right? Then you got German Mini. 11598. This is. Then you got the GR86. You got McGinn Trophy. What the heck? Alpine, Renault. Focus, it's a hot hatch, looks like. Almost 2 liters. Whoa, RX-7. Mustang, Cayman. Right, Porsche, man. 3.8 liters. That looks sweet. Whoa. 4-wheel drive. Let's try the Subaru, man. Rally car. Well, I'm trying to click it. It's not engaging. Does it mean that I can't choose it? I wanted to choose. Oh yeah, I can choose it. I click X. Okay, fine. Let's do this, guys. Automatic transmission, beginner. Let's go. Right. It's all like everything is rally car, rally car, rally car. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. See, I'm like literally on the tarmac. I'm choosing this option. Okay, the race has begun. It's like one lap only, is it? Come on. Well, this kind of race, this is like a NASCAR kind of setup, right? So you got to like, you can't wait to worry. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. We can't give up. Okay, if I'm silent, that means I'm focusing, and I think I don't know how much racing games lend themselves to talking while driving, because you're trying to focus. Like if you're going out with your girlfriend, you're trying to find directions, and she's just yapping away, right? She's thinking like you can multitask and all that. Men don't multitask, men are monomaniacs with the mission. We try to do one thing well. So if you're gonna be just talking and I'm trying to race at the same time, that's not going to be good. But here goes, maybe I should just learn it. If you're used to it, well, in F1 or, whoa, I finished. So any other race 80 out of 10? Hey, 8 out of 12 is not too bad, I'm not like a Scandinavian or anything. Shall we give it another try? So yeah, if you keep doing it like a F1 race where you're supposed to talk to your race director or strategize while driving, so you'll get used to it, I guess. Okay, we don't need this. exit. Let's race. Retry. Come on, man. Let's try to do better this time. I'm kind of enjoying this game, seriously. It requires a lot more focus than games like GTA, that's for sure. Let's see if we can do better this time. Okay, blue marker, here I come. Right, did that. Okay, we are steady now. We are really steady. We are taking the outer corner, and looks like a lot of people are ahead of us. Okay, it's gonna be braking time. Okay, accelerate out. Okay, keep going. Whoa! Brake. Okay, try to hit the blue marker. Oh, the blue marker is too deep inside. Again, blue marker is deep inside. Yo! The yellow line is something you're supposed to follow, right? Yes! Keep hitting those blue markers and try to stay on the road. Don't look back. It's just one lap, right? Come on. Yay! Did we win? Yes, we did. Guys, we won on the second try. Oh my god. This is awesome, man. Awesome song. Yeah. Alright. Subaru. Woo! Maybe I should consider this as my next car, you know. Maybe it's time to change the Honda. Okay, guys, I'll join you in the next session. Oh, for a beginner driver, I am slightly tired. Got to get some other things done, and then we'll stream again.